How to find wallpapers on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find wallpapers on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner, click on it, and then here you will find wallpaper, click on it, and as you see here you can find the wallpapers. Just click on any wallpaper you want, and then that's it. If you want to make it wallpaper, just click here and click wallpaper, and that's it. It's easy, of course, and you can select any wallpaper you want here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.